been seeing a lot online about a liquid facelift, and what that means for those who don't know, it's that providers are using just filler to sort of achieve what they think is a facelift result. I mean, what's your sort of opinion on this, and are fillers, can they really be used in that way?
I think if someone thinks that they can just use fillers to do a facelift, is we're going to get a lot more patients looking distorted.
Yeah.
Fillers play an important role in rejuvenation. I mean, I talk about to patients this sort of triad of aging, and some of it's volume loss and others are changes in the skin envelope, but there's all the effects of gravity. If someone has a little laxity, you could use tasteful fillers to try to take it up. You could add enough filler, I guess, to fill any, laxity in the skin, but then you're going to create horrific looking people. So I think it's a nice marketing term or a misleading marketing term for people who don't do surgery.
Yeah, like to your point, when people come in and say that they've seen so many people look bad, particularly we've heard a lot about the Oscars this week. I think a lot of that is just like overfilled or bad filler, not necessarily facelift results. Maybe for some people, but not all.
I have to admit I didn't watch the Oscars, so I missed a lot of those people.
Yeah.
But I've heard a lot about it. We see a lot of people's pictures. You look at them 20 years ago, and in my opinion, they were much more attractive 20 years ago than they are now, and they were more attractive 10 years ago when they were starting to age without filler than they are now.
Yep.
So fillers are a good tool for rejuvenation, but they have to be used properly.
Yeah.